Okay, I started the video camera here. Going to do a quick little recording of QSO in progress. So this is the TR-4C. Let me roll around here for a second and adjust the mic gain a little bit. Let me see here. Hello radio. Hello test. 1, 2, 3. Pumping it up here a little bit. And I don't know, maybe that's too much, but we'll let it ride there for a second. So anyway, good evening guys, TR-4C, and I've got the cabinet back on, but I don't have the screws in it yet. So we're going to put it through some paces here for a couple of days, but I think we got all the issues worked out. So Mark, how's it sound? Go ahead, WG8Y in the group, WA3UCR, over. No boy, he's weak. Band's changed.
Yeah, okay. So any comment I'd have, fellas, it's a little tinny, but very articulate, etc. So it sounds great. One of these years I'm going to figure out how to record something. I actually have an SD card in this rig, and I could record it for Mark and shoot it to him in an email.
Okay, I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, change some things around here. Maybe that'll give you a better look at the meters. Chris is still rambling on here, so let me pause it again. Now let me turn the camera back on. I paused it a couple of times, so maybe we get some other signals showing up here on the S meter. And I changed the lighting a little bit, so this may actually show up a little bit better. Anyway, yeah, Mark, it's a shame the band has changed. You're not in the noise, but you're not up to almost pinning the meter like you usually are here. So maybe things will change here in a couple minutes, and I'll be able to get some good video of your signal on your radio. So anybody else around here tonight? WA3UCR, standing by. Okay, go ahead there, Bob. Let me get a little bit of your signal on video here. How's this rig sound? Over.
Well, I just hope that mine sounds half as good as that sound. That thing sounds great. Got good audio, good clear signal. Looks great on the scope, and your 10/S9 build. So, yeah, it's making a trip up here if you just running barefoot. Oh, I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure you are. But it sounds great. I don't have any problem with it whatsoever, Bill. Over.
All right, cool beans, as you guys say. Let me pause the camera here for a second. Hang on.
WG8Y's. I just got home about half an hour ago and got in here, and the house heat doesn't reach this room. I've got a really super hefty electric heater in here, and every time it kicks in and out, the rig changes frequency by about 300 hertz. And I did it just about then, and I haven't gotten back on it. But yes, I am here. This is WG8CAC in beautiful downtown Bannerell.
Okay, here's a little bit more of Mark, WG8Y. Signal's pretty weak here tonight at the moment. No notch filter on this rig. Okay, there's a little more of Chris. He's banging in.
1501 with a solid carrier, so don't ask me why it caps at 1501.
And I'll pause it again. Okay, here's the deal with the volume control. Sounds fine as long as you're not touching it. But listen to the static as I move it around just a bit.
Meters this morning. That was horrible this morning. Anyways, W3UCR in the group, WA3ZYO.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Chris, hang on just a second. Let me pause my camera again.
And yeah, Bobby was in my noise, but I'm picking him up a little bit on any 5D. So I got that up, and I don't know which one, if any, I'm coming in. I'll bring up Lumpkin. All right, good. Let me try FBS, see if I'm in there. Not in that too good either, so.
Static crashes are starting to build a little bit.
Go ahead and run her back down to you. Like I
Let's
said,
see if I can copy Mark any better now.
WG8Y's.
No, we do not have a path tonight. Anyway, it's a little demo of what's going on with the TR-4C here. And I'm going to hang on to it for a day or two and put it through a few more paces, but it looks very promising. So sooner or later it'll be showing up on your doorstep there, Mark. Anyway, keep on tinkering, guys. I'm going to get back and get the camera turned off and finish the QSO here tonight because I got nothing better to do. Keep tinkering. See ya.